Right, so I've had a busy morning today. Charity shop, taking old clothes that don't fit me, etc, etc, etc. So busy, and got the car clean. So now I'm visiting somewhere. Now I've been in Gloucester for 11 years, and I've never been here, but I've always been past the signs for it, and I always thought that looks quite interesting. Wonder what it is. So it's open Tuesday, Sunday, and it's called Nature in Art. So it's in some big old stately arms. So let's have a little look at this. It looks quite interesting. So it's open Tuesday to Sunday and bank holidays. By the way, the temperature has really dropped today. It is quite cold for July the 2nd. Let's go and have a look inside. Very good. That's really lovely. Beautiful. 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 A poor Landia joke. Crane, I'm thinking those. There's no sign for that, but I'm thinking it's a crane. This is really quite impressive, I've got to say, folks. I'd highly recommend a visit to Nature in Art. Sandhurst Lane, just outside Gloucester. Oh, wow. Now that's got to be dragonfly. Insect shelter. That's lovely. Wow. Blue whale fin. That's pretty impressive. We'll go and look at that in a second. Crab apple tree.